Father of the Witch. A long time ago, a man named Mohan lived with his daughter Ranju in a village. Mohan loved his daughter very much, and he gave a locket given by his wife to his daughter to wear that Ranju always kept with her. One day, there held a fair in the village, for which she told her father,
Daddy, I too want to go to the fair. Please take me there.
Oh, my dear daughter wants to go to the fair? Okay then, we will go today only.
Saying this, Mohan took his daughter and went to see the fair. When they reached there, they saw a lot of sweets and shops of clothes. There were big swings which were touching the sky. Ranju was feeling very good there. But Ranju and her father could not see anything clearly as the place was so crowded. Suddenly, Ranju's hand got separated by his father's hand and both of them got departed. They both started calling each other names.
Ranju! Ranju! Where are you, my daughter?
Daddy! Daddy!
In this way, both of them kept searching for each other for a long time, but they could not find each other. Ranju was standing and crying at one place. That is when a woman came there and asked Ranju the reason for crying.
Oh, hey little doll, why are you crying? My father is lost and now I am not even able to meet him.
Oh, your father is lost? So no need to cry. Both of us together find your father. In this way, the woman took Ranju with her way. Actually, that woman was a witch who believed in black powers. She also made Ranju a witch like her. As the days went by and Ranju forgot her father, she became a terrible witch who believed in black powers too. On the other hand, Ranju's father Mohan was getting old, but he could not forget his daughter. He remembered Ranju day and night.
My dear daughter Ranju, where have you gone? It's all my fault. Neither did I take you to the fair, nor would you be lost. I will never be able to forgive myself.
In this way, Mohan used to remember Ranju always. And on the other hand, Ranju became a terrible and powerful witch who keeps on harassing the villagers.
There is no witch stronger than me in this whole world. Whoever comes in front of my black powers, I will set them aside.
In this way, Ranju started boasting very much on her black powers. Sometimes she would take a man with her. Sometimes she would bring a tornado to the village. She kept the whole village in fear. One day, there held a fair in the village. Then the witch told Ranju, Have you heard of something? The villagers are holding a fair and they are very happy.
How can the villagers be happy despite me? I'll ruin their happiness right now.
Having said this, both the witches went straight to the fair from there, and both of them started creating panic among the villagers. With their black magic, they drove a very severe tornado in which people's belongings flew away. People started running away afraid of them. There was a commotion all around. But in the same fair, Mohan stood aside. Then only the two witches came to him, and Ranju the witch told him,
Hey, you old man, don't you love your life?
Since my daughter is separated from me, I find my life useless.
The elder witch understood that Ranju is Mohan's daughter. Then she told Ranju witch, Why are you listening to this old man? Kill him! Anyway, what should we do with anyone's daughter? Hearing that witch, Ranju witch raised the stick to attack Mohan, but she could not attack him. She started to stir strangely, and she took down her stick. Seeing that, the witch got very angry, and she instantly attacked Mohan. Seeing this, Ranju witch came in front of Mohan and got injured. Mohan saw all this, and he came to Ranju witch and picked her up and said,
Have you got hurt? Daughter, are you fine?
The Ranju witch felt the touch of Mohan's hand that sounded very familiar. When Mohan's eyes fell on the locket that he had given to his daughter Ranju in childhood, seeing that locket, Mohan quickly said,
Daughter, this locket? Where did you get this? I had put this on my daughter's neck.
But I have always had it.
The witch was listening to all these things.
Oh God, my secret should not be revealed. And both of them should not know at any cost that these two are fathers and daughters.
Thinking that, she suddenly interrupted them.
Come on, it's not safe for us to stay here. Let's go.
In this way, she took the Ranju witch from there with her. She flared Ranju very badly and said,
Why didn't you attack that old man? Answer me. I wanted to attack on him, but don't know what happened. I could not attack on him. My consequence did not allow me. Open your ears and listen. After today, you will never meet that old man. Understood? And tonight, I will go to his house and kill him. No, you will not kill him. Till today, we have killed so many humans. But before today, we never said so. Then what happened today? Don't know why, but I don't want to. Now I will not leave that old man.
Saying this, the witch reached Mohan's house and Ranju witch also reached behind her. The witch attacked Mohan with his black powers. Then only Ranju witch stopped that attack and attacked on that witch. Seeing that, the witch said,
I taught you everything and you attacked me. Now I will not leave you either. I don't want to fight with you because you have given me the knowledge of these black powers. But just tell me, how did this locket came around my neck? And why do you want to kill that man?
Mohan spoke after listening to Ranju witch.
I had put this locket in my daughter's neck, and a long time back there was a fair in the village where I had lost my daughter. Since then, I have not met her till date.
Then only Ranju witch tried to find out the secret of Mohan's daughter, and she came to know that she herself was the daughter of Mohan.
Now I understand from where this locket came around my neck. I am nobody else but his daughter.
Hearing this, the witch got very angry and she started attacking her to kill Ranju witch. And Ranju witch was repeatedly stopped the attack. Then only Ranju witch said,
You cannot kill me. I have learned black powers from you. And now I have become even more powerful than you. So you leave from here.
Even after Ranju witch repeated persuasion, the elder witch did not understand. So Ranju witch destroyed her and Mohan was very happy to meet his daughter. Now Ranju gave up all the evil things as before, but she still had the knowledge of black powers to help people.
Hello, friends.
Do comment us that how did you like this story?
And don't forget to share this story with your friends too.
Bye.